Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 7th day of October 2025. And here is the setup that we have. And we're going to use our favorite indicator from Samurai Day Trading, and that is the strong candle indicator. So we look for some failure. This strong candle here is trading into a brick wall, so we're not going to grab that one. The one going in the opposite direction is free and clear. So we're going to wait for the pullback, which has already happened. And we're going to put our trade to go long. So there's the green arrow pointing in the direction we're going to trade. We look at the PVI and it's very, very slow. So we're anywhere between 42 and next candle is going to be between 40 and 50. We'll make a little bit larger ATM. We're going to go for our usual 16s, 30s, and it says 90s there, but we're going to switch that. And we're going to go for 16s, 30s, and 60s. There we go. All right, so we're going to drop this on. This is a trade taken in the room today by myself and other people in the room. And there we go. All right, we'll keep it at regular speed until we get picked up. We want to make sure all of our contracts get picked up. If we go too fast, it might just blow through our entry point. So we maybe can go to twos. That's a beautiful retrace. Lovely. We're going to stay above the moving average. This is looking really, really good. Really good. Loving the double retrace. If it fails twice, it's even more powerful to go the opposite direction. Stop is pretty much where it needs to be. We can bring it a little closer if we want, or we can just leave it where it is. Now we'll go ahead and power it up. Look what happens to the stop once we hit our first target. Boom. All right. So the first target's hit, but we didn't get past it. Just barely hit it. So now we need to wait. There it goes. Now our stop is at a break-even position. If the market comes back and takes us out of break-even, we have a chance to actually enter the trade again. All right, this just takes a couple candles. The ATM's a little bit large for the velocity of the market right now. You see it's gotten pretty slow. So 15s and 30s have been paid, or 16s and 31s to be more accurate. Now we'll leave this where it is because the next candle may retrace and come back. We'll see if we can get our 60 tick runner. Almost done with the first 5-minute candle. I see we're way over volume. We're at the time of the day when the people are starting to enter the market here, so I'm not too concerned about this. Over volume candle, and we're just going to explode up to the high part. And let's see how we do here. All right, that target's out, and that trade took about, let's see, 5 minutes plus 3.5, about 8.5 minutes to complete, and was worth 620 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 620 US dollars in 8.5 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. Look forward to seeing you in the LTR real soon. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.